is going on? What is the problem?
Sir, we don't get problem. Na food I just go collect from kitchen. Now this idiot, this witch slap me, they shout, carry this thing, I thought I go fire you.
Hold on. What, you left your duty post? Let me get it straight, Theophilos. You left your duty post, walked through my living room.
You just...
Keep.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
You left your duty post, walked through this living room and went to the kitchen to dish yourself food. Is that what happened?
I saw him. He was even trying to open the fridge. What audacity. It's a merit here, gate man going to your wife's spot. This is not happening. I don't understand.
Theophilos, if you wanted something to eat, why didn't you come to me? Why did you go to my pot?
Because you are not guarding inside. And I don't want to stop you.
Is that why you had to go to her pot?
You go and
if you're taking this thing very like, I don't understand you.
Go. See, we can tell you. I become red for violence. You don't know what? Are you mad? You go to see. You just come. Who are you? You just come. Okay. Sabi go to look at this girl. Nah, who you be? Because she just got. Sir.
Come here.
Sir.
Come here. If you make me come grab you, I am going to choke you.
Sorry, sir.
Come here.
I don't think yes, sir. You can forgive me now.
I am going to make it simple.
Okay, sir.
Theophilos.
Sir?
It is clear that something is going on with you. I don't know what it is. But there's something wrong with you. And this time, you have beaten more than you can chew.
But sir, because forgive me now because
I am tired. You are going to go get your stuff together and leave my house this minute.
Hey,
Theophilos.
Sir?
If I come out here again and find you here,
hey,
it is going to be very ugly.
Hey,
Can you just imagine? If I don't understand the way they take this thing serious, I don't just want any issues. Can you bring your voice down? Hey!
This guy, I know you come.
My friend, you don't have to go to my point. Can you just imagine this?
Theophilos, if you wanted something to eat, why didn't you come to me?
Because you're busy with you.
Wait, you dey beg I don't understand you. Why you dey take him easy with this guy?
Christopher, do you not want to teach me how to handle my stuff? No, you go take him easy. Calm down. What's this now?
I don't hear you. I dey beg
Bring your voice down. I'll just go upstairs and have a word with him.
Doctor Amao.
Bring your voice down.
Doctor.
You have it. Come here. If he comes back and sees you here, now me go first push. I say now, come on!
Make me this girl. What? Who be this girl?
I be getting man, we get his swag my madam, they under my control, anything now.
Theophilos, what is your problem? No, tell me, what exactly is the color of your problem? What have I done to you? If you wanted to eat, why didn't you come to me? Why did you have to go to my pot? Don't I give you food before? Now look at the problems you're causing for me. Eh?
No, try more. No, just go there. What I tell you now? Should I tell you I don't want this story to say because you deal with them? Which kind of nonsense is this now? See. You see what you're talking now? No, even go there. No, go there. Don't go there. Go stop this sack letter now. Go stop them all. Because if you don't stop them, if this thing happens here, Oga sack me here, I go lose my mouth. In fact, the gate, the internal gate of my mouth, I go lose talk. I go talk. I go tell Oga when that thing carry the knock you.
Papa, bring your voice down. What is wrong with you? You think it's just the two of us in this house? Eh? With everything that you have collected for me, there's nothing you've not asked on planet Earth. So what time you go to make I give you my womb? Everything I've given to you, you're telling me you go talk.
Oga, if I tell you make you give you my womb will give you. Because if I open this mouth or flow down.
Theophilos, calm down your voice. Why are you this wicked? What have I done? He said it's just this small mistake that I made now that you want to use and crucify me.
Okay, me I did wicked.
No.
See, I did wicked now because I don't tell Oga.
No, you know wicked.
Go now, go black. If Oga sack me, if I come up for this house, I go now, go stop Oga or make you not sack me. Go stop this sack later when they loom. Now make me, if he begins, go now, go stop him. Because if you stop him, you know, say I don't feel high secret for you again. Oh, sack they come now.
I don't hear.
Go stop her. No, don't be side. Go come out now. So you take me side, they wicked. Go stop this thing now. They tell you now. You see, they make Oga come. If Oga, oh God. Hey. You go know the color of my trouble. The color of my trouble. If I tell Ogas and they knock you, the way you carry the shot, they carry. Oh yeah, but it's you. Give it to me, my love. Oh yeah. Oga go here everything. I go just direct them as the way we take comot the pant. The way as you take comot and that part they there. The way we take kind of give out tell us say do it to me here. Maurice not here or not here. You never know. No, we go sack me here. We go come out here and come and tell me say you see they here. Wait that no vet. Wait, make I tell you what did happen. I will just wow.
Listen, babe, I don't want you to think that I'm trying to challenge you. I'm just pleading that you give that young man a second chance. Honey, it's just food. I made the food. I am not complaining. It's my pot. Your kitchen, of course. But let's just let this slide.
What exactly are you saying? What are you dribbling about? Huh? Yes. What are you saying?
What I'm saying is that the country is hard. We both know. Sending this young man out there, what do you want him to do?
I don't care. Or he should have known. These kinds of people should know better.
Well, babe.
I don't care what happens to him if I get him fired. I don't care.
Okay. You care.
No, I don't.
Even if you don't care about the situation, I know you have human sympathy. That's why I'm asking that you give him a second chance. Honey, please. Okay, you know what? Whatever you choose to do with him is fine. Caution him. If you don't want to pay him this month, it's fine. But don't just send him away like that. I don't think I can sleep knowing full well that he's out there alone. I don't know what else to say, but please just give him a second chance. I'll talk to him, I promise you. I'm certain he wouldn't do this again. Please. I'll just go out there and have a word with him. You know, I promise you he won't do it again. All right?
Kidding me? Are you for real right now? What I don't understand is this is unlike you. By now you would have thrown that gate man out of the gate. But you're not saying anything, you're not doing anything. Your wife is clearly cheating on you with that gate man. Right in front of you. You're not seeing it. Look, what you have to do is just chase the both of them away and marry a good, decent girl like me. I would never do that to you. I don't understand. You're not seeing this. Are you not seeing? It is written boldly on the wall that they're both seeing each other. You're not saying anything. No, Alex, you're not going to say anything. Do not be a fool in your own house. Shine your eyes, Alex. Shine your eyes. Don't say I did not tell you.
In the secret must be exposed in the outside. It's just a matter of time, and everybody we know that your little secret that you hiding, and you think nobody we know. It's just a matter of time. Everybody we know that your secret that you're hiding, yeah. How?
Theophilos, I have a few questions for you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Be assured that if you lie to me, I'm going to kill you.
Hey.
Theophilos.
Sir?
If you lie to me, I'm going to kill you and put you in a box.
Chineke.
When I travel out of this house to go and work,
Yes, sir.
do you sleep with my wife?
Jesus. No.
Hey! Theophilos. Keep quiet. I'm asking you again. Think before you respond. Are you having an affair with my wife?
Samba, go, Chineke. No, now, sir. No, he can't. Nah, God forbid. May God punish me well, punish me. May God make me an idiot. Save me and sleep me. You know the possible now. Sir, please, you know the possible. See, sir. I'm a peaceful man, a man of peace. And at this peace, I try to preach for this house, to bring unity. But when I don't understand, go sleep. Nah, sir, you don't feel. No, it's my. Sir.
I told you in that there is something wrong with you.
Sir,
I don't know what it is.
I don't get problems, sir.
And I'm going to put my hands on it. I'm going to put my hands on it and I'm going to deal with you. Get on your knees.
Sir? Go. You don't even enter my... Jesus, sleep. No, now. I don't feel do, sir. I don't feel do for you. You'll be a good person. You'll be a better person, sir.
Theophilos.
Sir?
I picked you from the streets.
Yes, sir.
Gave you a life.
Yes, sir.
Gave your life meaning. You will not pay me back by stabbing me in the back if I find out that you have just lied to me.
I don't feel...
I'm going to kill you and throw your body in the laco.
See. Your wife tell me, say... No, keep it. Chineke, sleep with Madama. You know the possible that say, Jesus. The wife tell me, say, be sleep with Madam.
See? What did he say? What were you guys talking about?
Talk. No, you just come here and tell me, say, I didn't knock you. I don't tell him anything. You know, say me, I know that I didn't knock you.
I know, shut up. You see the problem? This is what I was talking about. Your arrogance is the cause of this. Eh? How you could talk? You said you could talk, you could reply.
I don't want trouble.
What you know me?
See, as you did, now come out to make it don't serious. If you come meet us, then you could be quiet. Go.
See, you need to take things easy in this house.
No,
if you keep disrespecting me like this, he will continue suspecting, thinking that something is happening between us.
Now, because I'm not... Oh, now make up that door. If you come back like us, you say... Sir!
That thing you do in the secret must be exposed in the outside. It's just a matter of time, and everybody we know that your little secret that you hiding, and you think nobody we know. It's just a matter of time. Hey, everybody we know that your secret that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it, pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin.
How are you?
Well, I'm okay. You demanded to see me.
Alex, do you still think I poisoned you?
What do you want me to think? I came to your house. You gave me food. And I started struggling with my health. The doctors said that I've been poisoned, food poisoning. And I cried to you and you just...
Well, it wasn't me. I didn't do that. I can never. Why? For what purpose?
It wasn't you. It's okay. I'm taking medication and I'm getting better. So, let's get to it. Why am I here?
Do you trust your wife? Do you trust your wife so much that she can never hurt you?
Yes. Of course I trust my wife. I mean, she's my wife, you know?
Okay. Alex, I wouldn't want to destroy your marriage or see you broken. We were exes long time ago, yes. But you're a nice guy. And I can't see you get hurt. I'll always watch your back and I trust you would do the same for me. Right?
Okay, but I don't see where this is going now.
Okay, I saw your wife somewhere. Somewhere that I wouldn't want to mention.
Where? I mean, where did you see her? How? Where?
How about we put it this way? If you so think your wife loves you, why not put her loyalty to test?
What? Why would I want to put my wife's loyalty to test? I just told you that my wife loves me. I trust her. My wife and I are good.
Hey, everybody we know that's your secret, that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember?
What is wrong? What is wrong with you?
Alex, can't you see the writing on the wall?
What?
Eva doesn't love you. Look, that's why she's busy defending the gate man. She doesn't even want you to do what is on your mind. Look, Alex, you need me. I would never be like Eva. I could never do that to you, Alex, please. Look, Alex, I need you. I love you.
Stop it. Stop trying to tempt me, okay? It will never work. Stop it. Stop.
Alex, just give me a
Stop
chance.
it. Stop. What are you doing? Stop it. Stop it.
Alex, please. Look, I need you. I would not stop loving you.
Christabel, stop. You're joking. Stop. You don't know what you're saying. Stop. Stop!
Let's go.
Rest. What's your problem?
Alex, please.
I'm going to throw you out of this house myself.
Stop, Alex.
That thing you do in the secret must be exposed in the outside. It's just a matter of time, and everybody we know that your little secret that you hiding. And you think nobody we know. It's just a matter of time. Hey, everybody we know that your secret that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden on.
You're crying. What is it? Why are you crying? Sweetheart, talk to me now. Why are you crying? Did I do something?
You did everything.
What?
Everything wrong you did. What did I do to you? Where did I go wrong? Why would you accuse me of sleeping with your gatesman? Of all people, Alex. Of all people. Theophilos. Is that how low you think of me?
But you... I mean, you contributed to it. I see you, I see Theophilos. I don't know what is going on. You're constantly protecting him. You no longer scold him like you used to. That is
because you always frown at me each time I scold him. You were always angry each time I had issues with him, and now I decided to be nice to this young man. All of a sudden I'm sleeping with him.
No, because I'm confused. I mean, your actions get me confused. I'm confused. I don't know what's going on. You protect him, you speak for him, you guard, you guide. Like, things around this place, have really changed. I don't know what is going on. I'm human.
So if you had a driver here and a laundryman as well, and I decide to be nice to them, automatically I am sleeping with them.
I don't think that love you.
That is what you have been doing. Theophilos of all people, how could you?
I'm sorry. We can't be fighting about something like this.
No, you're not sorry. You know what? I can't be in a marriage without trust.
But I trust you.
This cannot work. You don't trust me.
I trust you, baby.
No.
You're not going to give up on us now.
No, you can't tell me not to fight about it. If you had told me that I was sleeping with someone else, a man who does something good, not your kids, man. I'm leaving.
No, you can't leave me. Baby, please don't leave me. I trust you. And I love you. I love you with all my heart. Please don't cry. It breaks my heart, okay? I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. I just misunderstood the situation. I'm sorry. It's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying.
Hey, everybody we know that's your secret, that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin, oh. Yeah, do you still remember?
Eva! Can you imagine this, your stupid gate man? Do you know that I went outside, I asked him to open the gate. He's telling me he will not. He said that even if I have to climb the gate, that he will not open it for me. I even tell her, I can't tell you. Tell me, make I can't tell you. What did they happen?
Wait, you mean you asked him to open the gate and he refused?
I don't put water for mouth when I talk.
You know what? Let me just calm down, okay? Take it easy. Let me call him. Theophilos, please, I need you to come into the sitting room now, okay? Yes, please. All right, thank you.
Eva, you didn't even call your gate man for phone. Please come into the sitting room. Like saying that your guy they go.
Yourself, you go try to take a easy now. Eh? Hey, you and who call be mad person? Get man they shout, you said they shout. He no go school, you go school. Why go they follow get man the quarrel?
Now because he be get man, now why I go change am for him? Allow me make I woos this guy slap.
My sister, calm down, take him easy. You're too big for this now. How can you condescend so low as to fight in the gate man? Eh? Take it easy. Now Wow, life no be like that. Na person need be too.
Na person picking
Can you just take it easy, please?
Theophilos! You're not supposed to want.
Babe, you need to calm down. Comes.
Look at this stupid, dirty thing.
Christabel, take it easy now. Calm down.
I go take her easy with this guy that insults me. I'm your friend though. Hey! You even arrange clothes before you come inside.
Me, stupid dirty thing.
Hey!
Me. You open this gutter. This gutter when you come and say stupid. Oh.
Theophilos. What's the problem? My friend said she asked you to open the gate and you refused. Why?
She's an idiot. Oh, yeah, we idiot. They don't cow. Look at this idiot. Who are you? The man. Go. See, make I tell you. See this idiot when they hear now. She be nobody. This idiot don't they para. They talk to me in the house. I say that. Now she employ me. You the man.
My friend, you shut up. Eva.
Shut up, Shawaganya. No, let's see. Go. You see that way they find. If you see that, if you see her, if I enter you, okay, just go. No. So I talk. No. See.
My friend, will you go and open the gate?
See, I won't consider.
No.
Don't fire you. Don't one get mama. When you get papa and uncle, go. Nah.
If I talk to him.
If I enter this idiot, okay, Susie,
No.
Come.
Hey!
Come.
See your place.
I won't see. You beg me, I go open and go wash it. They say, go. Idiot.
Yeah? Fine boy.
See, madam, I beg, pursue this idiot come out here. Just pursue her come out. Just pursue this idiot. Pursue her, make she come out here. Pursue her. If I open my tell you what idiot.
Eva!
Come
Come on, get out!
It's okay, please.
Eva! Hi. Wait till you and this gate man get. Where you no one tell me. Where they give a mouth where they talk to a person anyhow.
I wish kind of Momo talk with this one now. I wish kind can talk with this one. What do you mean by what I have with this guy? Babe, in fact, you know what? You need to leave my house. The one where you stay don't reach. I beg. You need to go back to your own base, please.
Eva.
What?
No way till they play Abby.
Shebi Abi like who they want you. I say you need to go back to your base.
You serious so?
What do you mean I'm serious? Does it look like I'm joking? No, look at my face. Does it look like I'm kidding you? What is it with you?
Eva, you need me to leave your house because of your stupid gate man.
No. When you go back to your base, carry your papa, your mama and your ancestors, everybody come out. What is your own? You go come person house, you go just shout. Now you pay my house rent.
Hey.
Or are you the one that employed my gate man? What is it with you? You only... Babe, I beg. I don't want issues. Like I said earlier, you need to leave and that's fine now.
Eva, me.
I'm not having this conversation anymore with you.
Eva! Hey! Christabel, I don't see. This one don't pass. For where now? Yeah! Chimo.
Everybody will know that's your secret, that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it?
Why do you want her to leave?
She has to leave.
Why?
That non-entity who I usually give money now has the guts to look me in the face and tell me that I'm having something to do with my gates man. Oh no, I won't take that. That's a slap on my face. She has to go.
Listen, I advise that you let this matter rest, right? Christabel stays until she's ready to leave.
Christabel stays. Well, if she stays, then you know the other option.
Really?
Oh yes, really. Listen, 4 hours is all I give to Christabel to leave this house. Else, I will leave. What sort of nonsense is this? Okay, I see what you are doing. You're catching feelings. For who? Christabel. Anyways, that's fine. If you want to have anything to do with her, I'll leave you to enjoy your lovey-dovey. But I won't sit here and watch her insult me while you are moping at me doing nothing. She will leave, else I go. Hours is all I give to her to leave this place, else I will leave. And that's on period.
Wait. Is he eating chicken? This early morning? Fried chicken. Theophilos, who gave you this food? I'm talking to you, my friend. Who gave you this food that you're eating?
Which was not supposed to be that with the mouth, with the other kind of sense. See. Trouble there. They sleep. In anger, they follow them up and down. Trouble there. In anger, they follow. In anger, leave me, oh.
Is this not the chicken that my friend fried last night? You're even drinking juice. Hey! Everything is happening so fast in this house. I don't understand. Theophilos.
I don't blame you. You saw this nonsense way they work. That way they fight, if you see them now, we just go. That way they fight, they work. I don't blame you. See, leave you. I know they put eye for your matter. No, they put eye for my own matter. It is I know sabi you. It's all this in that I know all this reason. I sabi say you want to make Oga knock you. It shock you. It shock you. You go knock you and then I will go. Forget all this nonsense where they work. You won't scatter your friend's house, Abi. No, don't worry. We go know who go come for this house. This I don't know your plan. All this way they get with you know go see him. You saw this touch, all this over there. You want to see the man in me. You won't see the man in me. I don't go give you, no go happen, you no go see him. I am too expensive. You see this thing? You know they enter the hole. It is all you can't. You do this one day too expensive.
Will you shut up your mouth? Will you shut up your stupid dirty mouth? Look, let me tell you something. You think I don't know? That you and Eva, that you are sleeping together behind closed doors. But let me tell you something. I know and I will expose the both of you. You see the both of you? I will soon expose the both of you. And you will get fired.
I get fired. I don't get your time. It's not this rubbish where they for me from heart now. I don't blame you. That one on your own. I don't even send you in your business. You understand? Your business. For the one where you call your friend. My eye know they even did they go me over my dead body side they sleep with my worker wife. Me. Are they mad? Don't worry, very soon I will play a tape. If I play a tape, wow. You see this as you carry your hand and they Kimbo. Put her for waste. Now so you go see yourself for market. Idiot. I tell you.
My friend, will you shut up your mouth?
I will play a tape soon.
Will you shut up your stupid dirty mouth? I don't blame you. Now my friend I blame. I don't know what she sees in this kind of stupid, stinking, dirty man. Keeping you at the gate and giving you fried chicken. That's why she's giving all
jealous. Say, forget all this way they talk like it's intimidate. They find who they come out, they find who they intimidate. You don't say you want to make you intimidate me, I don't see you they find me. You don't go see me, I ain't too expensive. Oh. You see this here. I dey catch that here. I don't go see him. Rubbish. You see, I know say you never see this camphor before. Not be anyhow phone. This is my phone. You know updated. Pass this your own. And I know say that you are sugar daddy. That you are sugar daddy when they knock you up. No go feel buy this camphor for you. For the fly.
Your police go punish.
Now you go punish you.
Go punish you.
My friend,
stupid, dirty, stupid.
They no cow. Idiot. Lazy. You think that the borehole you carry water. Nothing there. You think that me want to entice you? If you don't go fit entice me, idiot. I hear they expensive. Who? Chicken. If you come back me, I be not gonna go with idiot. You know cow. If I chicken. Oh no, come the rob my idiot. Who?
Joe, what is it? Please leave my house. See, this is not going to work. You assault me. You abuse me. You even cheat on me. And you still have the guts to step your foot into this house. Please go.
I want you to follow me to the house right away.
Never. I'm not going anywhere with you. You just go. I don't want you. I don't want. See, I would rather die than go with you.
I hate repeating myself. And you know it's one thing that I don't like doing.
Joe, please.
Now listen. You're going to sleep on my bed tonight.
Joe, this is going to happen. What did I ever do to you? Eh? Is it wrong for me to show you love? I gave you money. I paid for your lodge. I even paid for your school fees. I even went as far as giving you money to clear your 4 carryovers. Where did I go wrong? Is it wrong for me to love you? Is it wrong? And what did I get in return? Abuse. Assault. Upon that, you still cheat and beat me. What did I do wrong? Joe, what did I do wrong?
You're very good. You're so wonderful in reciting your poems.
Don't come close to me.
How dare you? How dare you sit in front of me to tell me it's over in a relationship you never built? How dare you?
You hurting me.
Now listen to me. You're following me to the house. Understood?
Yes.
You will do exactly as I say. Right? What's going on? What's going on here? Are you mad? How dare you? How dare you? Are you mad? How did you get yourself involved with this animal here? Do you want to kill her? Who are you? Your wish is my girlfriend. So bloody what? So bloody what? Listen, let me warn you. You have no right whatsoever to lay your hands on this girl. You have no right. If she was your sister, would you allow another man beat her the way you're doing? Will you? Now get out. Get out of this place before I ask the school security to pound you out. Get out this minute. So this is it. You don't dey arrange guys, sabi? You know see guy wey you go arrange, you go carry pastor. Where the streets come from here, abi? Buy one, that one day. I like your gods. Your moral starch. But one day, you and I will settle our scores. And I pray you're lucky that day. Trust me.
Hey, let me warn you. Let me warn you. Don't you ever come around me with this frat of a nonsense. If you do, you'll regret ever knowing me or seeing my face. Now get out. Think I'm bluffing? You think I'm bluffing? All right. Hello? Hello? Yes. Yes, let me call you back. It's okay. Stop crying, okay? It's okay. He has gone. Stop crying. I mean, how did you get yourself involved with that animal that I saw here? How? Who is he?
He's my boyfriend. But I'm no longer with him. I broke it off with him.
Anne, how could you be going out with such a madman? I mean, that guy would have killed you. Thank God I came. But it's okay, alright? Stop crying, he has gone. Okay? I'll make some calls and make sure he doesn't return.
What if he comes back?
No.
I'm scared.
Hey, stop. Okay? Put yourself together, he will not come back. Okay? I'll make some calls and make sure you're safe. As soon as I leave, lock the door.
Okay.
Alright? I'm sorry, stop crying.
Thank you. Thank you.
I am serious. I mean it. I am telling you the truth. Look, do you also know that your wife is feeding your gate man just more than she feeds you? Oh yes. She gives him money, she buys him phone, she even feeds him with her body. Is that the woman you want to take to the church to wed? Is that the woman you want to present as your wife? A charming, handsome-looking man like you.
Christabel, my wife wants you out of this house as soon as possible, and I'm trying very hard. I'm trying hard to hold her off. Please, please, do not speed up that process. I don't want it to happen just yet, not in a fashion that embarrasses you. Can you just slow down with these things? It's not necessary. Yes, what?
Trust me, all right? This is happening right under your nose.
Babe!
Yeah.
Shine your eyes, Alex.
Babe!
Yeah.
Oh, you're here. Babe, listen, when you need...
What?
Something is wrong. This is not you. What is wrong?
I'm okay.
You're sure?
100. I'm good. I'm okay.
Okay. I know we've talked about this before, but it's just a reminder, babe. We need a maid. Look at the size of this house. I do the cleaning, washing, cooking, everything. I mean, it's too much on me. I just need an assistant. Please.
But your friend is here. Christabel could help out.
Christabel is not even here until weekend. She has to go.
Baby, we talked about this. I told you.
And yes, we talked about it, and I said
that I'll handle it.
I don't want you to handle it. She has to go.
Why?
And that's on period. She's leaving. Are we good?
Yeah. So I guess we'll finally need a maid, huh?
Yes, we do need a maid. This time, a mature woman. Someone older. I mean, someone who can bend and do everything. Not some... Are we good on that? Are you sure everything is alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
You're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember?
I know her face. I know that face. That's the face I met at the hotel.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. I want to see someone in room 206.
Okay, is she aware that you're coming?
Sure.
Okay. Your name, please?
Miss Juliet. Just need to go and drop off every other thing that we can pack. Oh, I'm so sorry. That wasn't intentional. All right. So here, the room key. Tell them to clean the room properly. And I left something in the fridge. Please tell Agnes to help me microwave it.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. All right.
Babe, let's go.
Yeah.
So you need to. Okay. So
I've already called her. You can go.
okay. That's the lady Alexandra is married to.
You're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting, waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin, oh. Yeah, do you still remember?
Harry.
How are you? I'm fine. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, so, how was your night? I hope you slept well.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
How was yours?
Well, thank God I did. And I hope you didn't come back here to disturb you. I mean,
No.
that animal.
No, he
Are you
didn't
sure?
come, yes. Thanks for last night.
Hmm?
I really do appreciate. Thank you.
It's okay, it's fine. At least, thank God I came at the time I did. Who knows what would have happened?
Exactly.
You know, Anne, I think you have to move over to my house, okay? Move over to my place and stay for a while we wait for your friend to return. Okay, look, you never can tell. This madman might just barge in here someday and hurt you.
That's so
Okay?
thoughtful of you.
Look, listen. You know, toxic relationships are very dangerous. You need to act wisely, okay? This man might just come here, hurt you, and disappear into the thin air, and that's it. Please.
Yeah, you have a point. Thank you. I really do appreciate what it is you're doing for me. But don't worry. I spoke with my dad and he said he's going to do something about that. So don't worry. I'll be fine.
Alright, no problem. I leave it to your judgment, okay? It's fine. You take
Thank
care of
you.
yourself, alright?
And you too.
I'll see you some other time. But don't forget to call me in case anything comes up.
I will,
Okay.
definitely.
Are you lucky?
Alright. Take care.
Lock your door.
Of course, I will. Bye.
no good on disembark.
What? I think she said the guy is sleep for house now.
I saw the car in the morning. Shit. But now, can't find anyone there.
I say this one now for call. Big time for call. Why not tell us last night now? If you run them on cold, like no shishi.
Escape my mind. But not to worry. That guy will collect.
Okay now, look who mend the gear.
My bad, that guy will collect.
I swear.
Look who mend the gear.
How you do your hair? Bring the gear.
Oh, now shut up! One man person who you know see. No day you say one man.
So play tape now.
If I see you anywhere, do this shit. If I see you, you don't deserve my life. If I see you around here, let me not see her around this house again. See her around here. Push her out of this place. You see her? I'll kill you.